Be thankful. Be thankful to God. Be thankful to everyone in your life. Be thankful to yourself. And always try to seek happiness in your life. Try to be confident. Try to encourage yourself and never quit. I just want to say this thing to all of you. Life is very, very beautiful, guys. It all depends on your thinking, that how you take your life. ज़िंदगी बहुत अच्छी होती है और ज़िंदगी बहुत खूबसूरत है. When God has given you this life, I will just say try to live this life to the fullest. That's very important. Never try to underestimate yourself. Don't try to quit, anything in your life. अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ नहीं मिलती है, that's okay, that's fine. You can go for the next thing also, but always be courageous. Always take something, as a kind of a challenge, that yes, if the person can do that, why can't I? So for that, I have brought a very beautiful poem for all of you, and that is a poem which the topic of the poem is Don't Quit. And I just want to say that this poem is something which will definitely encourage every one of you. So don't quit in your life. कभी भी ज़िंदगी में हार मत मानिए, कभी भी quit मत करिए, and that's what this poem says. So this is for all of you, and it goes like this. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you can never tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things go wrong that you must not quit, and it's when things go wrong that you must not quit. So what I want to say all of you is that never ever quit in life. ज़रूरी नहीं कि लाइफ हमेशा वैसे ही चलेगी जैसा आप चाहेंगे. हो सकता है आप राइट साइड चाहते हो, ज़िंदगी आपका लेफ्ट साइड चलने लगे. But it's not important. It's not important that everything will fall in its place as you want. So it's okay. Try to accept the challenges. Challenges को accept करें, because जैसे ही आप challenges को accept करेंगे, you will learn. And more you will learn, the more you will grow. That's important. और जितना आप ज़्यादा grow करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा your personality will come out. Your personality उतना ज़्यादा आपकी उभरेगी. So this was a very short poem for all of you to say you that try to keep yourself on. Try to listen to those people who motivates you. Try to do something which really makes you better, feel better, or try to do something which really interests you. वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So लाइफ को खुल कर जिए और बहुत अच्छे से, और अपने आप को पसंद करें, अपने आप को प्यार करें. That's very important. And yes, don't forget, don't ever quit. Thank you.